Hey, what's up guys? This is Krishna here. Welcome to this exciting video on AEJuice.com review. Before we start, let me go through a disclaimer. I use Houdini and Blender often and use After Effects as my compositing software. I'm not too familiar with Premiere Pro, so I'm going to skip that and focus only on After Effects. Please note, all information in this video are based on my trials and understanding of the effects. Okay, disclaimer is done. Black Friday being the biggest sale of the year with AEJuice.com, I have been provided with an all-access subscription license to review their products and give you an honest review. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks to try out several effects and compare them to what I'm used to. Since the time was limited, I could only try a handful of plugins and effects. Some of the effects you see on this video are from AEJuice.com. If you're interested in purchasing any products, please use the link in the description and it'll go towards supporting me and the channel. There is an additional discount of 10% available when using the code RESILIENT. I'll leave it in the description. Please note that this discount code will not work for all access subscription purchase. There's an AEJuice plugin called VoiceOver AI. This is one of the free plugins AEJuice offers with 10 minutes of voiceover per month. I think this is cool. The paid version offers 240 minutes a month. I'm going to try and use this for some of the video. It'll also give you an indication of how it sounds. Let's do it.
As mentioned before, I am a Houdini and Blender user. How can this be useful to me? Almost all the time, I take the renders out of 3D packages into compositing software. This is where AEJuice can do magic, especially when you have spent a lot of time creating 3D renders and you just want to drag and drop effects. AEJuice also offers VFX packages that has a lot of stock footage that can assist with the enhancement of rendered VFX elements. Okay, I broke up this video into 4 sections. Information, can do better, good stuff, summary. A. Information. 1. AEJuice packs can be purchased as perpetual license or as subscription package. The all-access subscription license is 50% off for Black Friday. My preference is always subscription, as you could get the latest and greatest updates whenever they become available. Also, All Access gives you all plugins as well as access to courses and tools. 2. I have compiled a list of plugins and their corresponding effects in a spreadsheet. This took me forever to do. I only did this because I couldn't find this info easily on the site. Let me go through this spreadsheet. There are 3 sheets. All packs shows all the packs that are available as off the release date of this video. It also has several bundles that are on offer and their corresponding cost and plugins that are included within each. Please note this doesn't include all bundles because I simply didn't have time. However, this clearly shows All Access yearly subscription is the best deal because it includes all plugins as well as tools and courses. This also allows access to new releases and updates as soon as they are available. All effects, which show all the effects within each pack. Please note some effects did not download, and since I didn't have time to retry, I colored them yellow. The project sheet shows the effects I managed to get my hands on during this short period. That's all for the spreadsheet. Please note this is not a live document. It's up to date as of the release date of this video. Download link is in the description. 3. None of the plugins are traditional style, as in Boris FX or Red Giant plugins. They are rather in template formats and comes with its own UI-based controls. Because of this, it can take some time to get used to. B. Can do better. 1. Download all plugins and effects with a single click is not available. I appreciate this might take a while, but option should be made available if there's enough space and time to do it. 2. Download is sometimes slow, might be my internet connection, I am not sure. 3. Some effects don't have controls on UI, therefore might require digging into the layers to customize. 4. There used to be a delete button to remove applied effects from AE but can't see it in the latest version. Therefore, the best option is to undo or delete the layers and eventually use project dependency options to reduce project size or remove unused effects. 5. When diving inside of effects composites, a lot of AE native plugins used, not sure how these will work in the future if perpetual license is bought and Adobe removes some of these native plugins. 6. Rendering speed depends entirely on effects used. Some effects take longer than others due to template style approach. 7. Can't use AE layers instead of file for some effects, for example, old film constructor. 8. Sometimes the UI behaves strange. You may have to change Windows Workspace in After Effects and open UI again or restart After Effects. I couldn't reproduce the behavior. See, good stuff. 1. Free plugins. 2. Affordable price when on deal. 3. Supports multiple hosts. 4. UI is fantastic, easy to understand. Five, tons of effects. It is a must-have for editors, motion graphics artists, and social media content creators. Some of these effects comes with sound effects, which is very handy. 6. Review of any packs can be done by simply right-clicking on the pack. 7. Import and replace function is so easy and good, but bear in mind customization will be lost. You can save settings for any effect, but applies only to that effect. 8. Apply random effect is cool. If you are unsure which ones to use, this can come in real handy. 9. Effects controls are not traditional but pretty good, especially placeholders for replacement footage or picture. Pretty easy and fast. 10. There are a lot of websites out there like Storyblocks, Envato Elements, Artlist, etc. that provides templates for After Effects, but AEJuice comes with this UI which I think has an edge over the others. Saying this, AEJuice offers some sound effects but not music as such. 11. Reporting bug is inbuilt. 12. Support and forum pages with good response times. 13. Voiceover AI is very good. You can hear it now. I am the AI voiceover guy. 14. Pixel photos and videos have a ton of stock footage, which is big bonus. Please check licensing for each clip or photo before using. 15. Some of the effects are so easy to use, it's literally a drag and drop. 16. They also have a lot of VFX stock footage. 17. The packs and effects list is frequently getting updated and new effects added, which the UI picks up automatically when opening After Effects. D. Summary. So, what do I think? With Black Friday offer of over 90% off on a lot of products and 50% off on all access subscription license, I believe it's a bargain. Let's face it, there are so many effects, some of them you may never use, some of them will be used for certain projects, but some will be used almost every time. No matter what effects you need, if you have them handy, it'll be much easier to overcome challenges or enhance your videos on any project. Your need for AEJuice products will depend on how you see it fits within your budget and usage. I would say, give the free plugins the shot and grab the bargain before it's finished. Hope this video has helped figure out if this is suitable for you. As mentioned before, if you do end up purchasing any products, please use the link in description which will support me and the channel. That's all folks. Happy Black Friday shopping.